Good afternoon to one and all present here. We are now today with the ninth day segment of our students' online orientation program of extension activities conducted in Guru Nanak College. Hearty welcome to all of you. Before I proceed for today's program, I have two important announcements. Number one, from 26th onwards, we have the online exam for the final year students. Therefore, we are cutting short our program, which was planned till 30th. So we are compressing the programs. Like today, we have two organizations of the students' extension activities, Enviro Club and Remedial Coaching, giving their program today. And tomorrow, that is on 23rd September, Wednesday, we have three clubs organizing their presentation. That is Citizen Consumer Club, then a Placement Cell, and Students Counseling. So these three organizations will be conducting their presentation tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, on 24th September, we have the NSS YRC and Skill Development Center. I heartily welcome our most respected General Secretary and correspondent to our midst. Hearty welcome to you, sir. You are our beacon light. You show the way and you lead the way, and we go by that way. So thank you very much for being our everlasting guide in our college. And I have great pleasure to welcome our most respected principal, the dynamic young leader, Dr. M.G. Raghunathan sir, for all your enthusiasm, for all your encouragement. We are here conducting our programs one by one. And hearty welcome to you, sir. And I have great pleasure in inviting the facilitator of today's program, Dr. R. Geeta, the Head Department of Commerce Honors. I have really, ma'am, I'm very much delighted to invite you, to welcome you to our midst. You are a seasoned teacher and you are an experienced person. You are one of the senior most teachers of the college, and with all these merits, you have a great experience to share with our freshers. And you will be the right person to share your inputs and insights with our freshers today. Hearty welcome to you, madam, on all our behalf. Next, I have great pleasure in welcoming the staff coordinator of today's program, Enviro Club's program. Staff coordinators, we have got three staff coordinators. We have Dr. Gopi, the Head Department of Plant Biology and Plant Biotechnology, an apt person to lead the show. That is the Enviro Club, and he is ably assisted by Dr. S.S. Jayaraj, Assistant Professor of Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology. Hearty welcome to you, sir. And we have the Head Department of BCom Corporate Secretaryship of Shift 2, Dr. Kavita. Hearty welcome to you, madam. Now, these three stalwarts, they are running the show. They have been conducting programs on behalf of Enviro Club. And we have the second segment of today's program to be ably conducted by the Head Department of English Shift 1, Professor B. Kumaran. Hearty welcome to you, sir, to our midst. Now, he will be deliberating upon remedial coaching in English. Now, this is the plan of the day's program, and I heartily welcome our Controller of Examinations, Dr. Rajashri ma'am, and all in her department. And I owe my gratitude to all the deans. I heartily welcome all the deans of all 10 schools, including our Dr. Geeta madam, who is the Dean of Commerce. Hearty welcome to you once again, madam. You are now representing all the deans here, and I welcome all the heads of the departments. There are 23 UG departments and 9 PG departments. I welcome all the heads of the departments who have been very responsible in conducting all the programs, helping us conduct all the programs in a very, very successful manner. Hearty welcome to all the heads of the department. Here we have Dr. Kavita, the Head Department of BCom Corporate. We have Professor Kumaran, the Head Department of English in this group, in the presenters list. And we have all the members of staff who have been guiding us in all our endeavors. All the programs will be incomplete without you. With your able support only, we are able to conduct all programs one after the other. Thank you all members of staff. And I thank the heroes of the day. This is the 9th day. I've been repetitively calling them heroes because without them, for them only the program is organized, and they belong to this fortunate batch. Though the outer world considers lockdown period very unfortunate, for us this period is very conducive. The ambience is very good for us to conduct such programs. So before they come to college, they will be able to know what is going on in college, who is who, what is what. who is conducting what. All these details are now informed to them through these programs. So hearty welcome to you all freshers, your parents, your relatives who are all with you. Sit and relax and then watch the entire program. Today, the first segment is Enviro Clubs program. Without nature, we are nothing. We are a part and parcel of nature. We are the microcosm of the macrocosm, nature. So we have to worship, we have to obey, we have to live along with nature. Without nature, I think we cannot lead even a single moment of life. The fresh air around, the water around us, the soil on which we live, and everything, even a little flower gives us happiness. Little flower is doing its best, is helping us to live our life. Man's needs are fulfilled by nature, but man's greed angers nature. So this aspect, is to be remembered by us. We should not cause anger to Mother Nature. She is called Mother Nature. We have to protect her like our own mother, because Mother Nature is feeding us in every way. Right? How much ever we improve in science and technology, we cannot live without nature. Nature gives us food, clothing, and shelter. So we have to obey. We have to have obeisance to nature. So I think this program will help you learn more about the importance of Enviro Club in our college. All of you will be given a chance to join this club. My dear freshers, we have a facilitator of the day. Every day we need a facilitator because we need an experienced person, a senior teacher to come and tell us something, because that will carry lots of weightage. Today's facilitator is none other than the most lovable, amicable Madam Dr. Geeta, the Dean of Commerce, the Head Department of BCom Honors, and as well as the Dean of Commerce for both the shifts. Hearty welcome to you, Madam. I request you to kindly deliver the facilitator's address before Dr. Gopi begins. Hearty welcome to you, Madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all. On the 9th day of extension activities, we have gathered to inaugurate two things. One is GNC Environment Club, and number two, remedial coaching. Guru Nanak Environment Club strives to execute responsibilities as a group of students with a passion for the planet. It is safe to say Guru Nanak College boasts one of the greatest educational institutions in Chennai, filled with forest-like enclaves. The main activity of the clubs involves cleaning the campus, planting the trees, and distribution of seed sampling balls. It is my hope that the participants of this meet share this sense of duty, the first of which is to keep our campus clean, nurture our trees and wildlife. Don't be hesitant to be the part of the environment club and become truly empowered in sustaining the greener campus and our environment. Let us join together for the social cause and prevent our environment from the pollution.
Honorable General Secretary, respected our Principal Sir, and then vibrant Vice Principal Madam, Head of the Departments, Dean Academics, Controller of Examination, Dean Research, and various Dean Schools and Professors, and my dear parents and students. A pleasant good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of Guru Nanak College Enviro Club, I welcome you all for this wonderful 9th day program. Here you can see the emblem. This emblem, it is developed by our Enviro Club volunteers. So this emblem, it consists of both fauna and flora. So in our college campus, it is entirely covered by banyan tree as well as the monkey and butterflies. So that is why this is the emblem. It reflects our fauna and flora. When you enter into our campus, you cannot escape from our ancestors. Definitely, you will interact with them. When I start with our program, I will start with a prayer. Prayer of the forest. Man, I am the warmth of your home in the cold winter night and the protective shade when summer sun is strong. I am the framework of the roof to your house and the top of your tap, the bed in which you sleep and the timber which you fashion your boat. I am the handle to your door and the door to your hut. I am the wood of your cradle and the boards of your coffin. I am the bread of your kindness and the flower of beauty. Hear my prayer. destroy me not, unsurveyed. This is a very nice concept. God speak to you. I am not in stone. I am not in temple, but I am in trees. So plant trees for better future. Man worships an invisible God and destroys a visible nature. Unaware that this nature is destroying is this God is worshipping. Our main aim of Enviro Club to create the more environmental awareness program among the students and others, and to do all positive about the environment related issues. It is very important platform to create about environment as well as sustainable development to motivate the students to keep their surroundings greenery and clean environment. Last year, 238 students volunteers enrolled as a Enviro Club volunteers. This year, we will expect more from young, energetic, budding youth from the first year students.
Thank you very much, sir, for
Thank you,
your
madam.
informative, interesting, and instructional presentation. I think after a very long time, I have now seen a very beautiful presentation given by you. Every slide is inspiring and interesting. Thanks to your team, Dr. Jairaj and Dr. Kavita, and the inspiration from our principal, who was formerly the Enviro Club staff coordinator. And really, we could learn a lot. And you have taken us a tour throughout our college. We could see the nature's wealth in our college campus. So many trees. Really, freshers, you are all very fortunate. We are eagerly waiting to receive you to our college. You can see all these flora and fauna in full swing in our college. Some children, they grasp immediately. Like camphor, they say. Karpura putti, they say. So immediately they'll grasp. There are some students who will take some time to learn, and there are some students who need some extra push or extra support or continuous goading. And here we have this remedial coaching. Now this program is going to be presented by our Head Department of English, Professor B. Kumaran. Hearty welcome to you, sir. Kindly share your views about remedial coaching to our freshers.
Honorable General Secretary and Correspondent, respected Principal, Vice Principal, Deans, Heads of various departments, my dear colleagues, and my dear students. I am here today with you all to share a few words about remedial coaching. Now, you all may wonder what is this remedial coaching and how does it come under extended service activities. This is done after our college hours for the benefit of all the students who are slow learners. Slow learners in the sense.
Thank you very much, sir, for your neat presentation about yet another facility available in our college, that is the remedial coaching in English and other subjects as well. And the visuals, the slides you showed us were very informative, and I think the freshers will carry home this message that you will be helped at every stage of the program. And now it's my proud moment to propose a word of thanks at the outset on all our behalf, on all members present in today's program, along with the freshers. I heartily thank our management, our General Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Manjit Singh Nair, sir, our respected Principal, Dr. N.G. Raghunathan, sir, our facilitator of today's program, Dr. R. Geeta, ma'am, the staff coordinators of Enviro Club and Remedial Coaching, Dr. Gopi, Dr. Jairaj, Dr. Kavita, and Professor Kumaran, our Controller of Examinations, Dr. Rajashri, madam, deans, heads, members, students, volunteers, and all freshers. And on all our behalf, I heartily thank the hosts of today's program and everyday's program, Mr. Satish and Mr. Arun from Viscom department. And I thank Dr. Kumaraguru sir, the Dean of IT, for having been supporting us in everyday's program. Hearty thanks to you all.